The Lebanese army announced that on Sunday that it has rescued 51 people attempting an illegal sea escape from a sinking boat near the northern city of Tripoli. According to the army's statement, those rescued included 49 Syrians and 2 Palestinians. The operation was carried out in collaboration with the Lebanese Red Cross. This incident highlights the challenge of illegal immigration in Lebanon in recent months. More Syrians, Palestinians and Lebanese citizens have been trying to leave the country for better living conditions, as the country is currently grappling with an unprecedented financial crisis.